This is the EcoFlow Delta Pro ecosystem, a huge expandable capacity. A mix of renewable charging solutions and direct integration with your home. This is the EcoFlow Smart Generator, a gas generator for whenever renewable energy is unavailable. In emergencies, you can use the Smart Generator for extra power. Let's review the features on the Smart Generator, starting with the front. On the front, you'll find an LCD screen to give you all the information you need. Below the LCD screen are alerts on carbon monoxide and oil levels. The generator automatically shuts off if carbon monoxide levels are too high or the oil level is too low. In the center is an electric start button. To the right of that is an AC power button to turn the AC outlet on or off. The IoT button enables your unit's wireless connections and makes it discoverable to other devices. Beneath that are two dust covers that protect an extra battery port and an AC port. Between these is a ground terminal. On the top, you'll find a fuel cap with a vent lever. On the left side is a starter grip for manual start and an engine switch. On the right side, there's a maintenance cover. On the back is a muffler to minimize noise. Now we'll look at how to prepare, start, and stop the Smart Generator for the first time. To set up your new Smart Generator, make sure the engine switch on the left side is switched to the off position. Then open the maintenance cover on the right side. Take off the cap at the base of the engine, add oil, and then secure the cap. Then connect the battery terminals. Once you've done these two things, put the maintenance cover back on. Add gasoline in a well-ventilated area that is away from flames and sparks, remembering to put the cap back on tightly. The Smart Generator's engine can be started via electric start, via the app for remote start, via auto start, or it can be started manually. First, make sure the fuel cap vent lever and the engine switch are both set to the on position. Then press and hold the electric start button to start the engine. After you have activated your generator, you can connect your app to your generator via wireless connection. You can then start the engine from the EcoFlow app. If your Smart Generator is connected to an EcoFlow power station via the extra battery port, the Smart Generator will automatically start to recharge your unit when the unit's battery dips below a certain percentage. The default percentage is 20%, but you can alter it in the EcoFlow app. If necessary, manually start the engine by slowly pulling the starter grip until you feel resistance, and then pulling it quickly. Before stopping the engine, safely disconnect any appliances, power station, then press and hold the electric start button to stop the engine. You can also stop the engine from the EcoFlow app. In emergencies, stop the engine by turning the engine switch to the off position. Wait for the engine to cool. Then turn the engine switch and the fuel cap vent lever to the off position. That's how to use the EcoFlow Smart Generator. Need more tutorials? Head to our EcoFlow Support YouTube channel.